Yo, what's good? So this is gonna be my second trade recap uh of my journey. I took this trade. It says 12. Let's say it's midnight. It's the next day, but I took this trade like the previous day at like 11. Yeah. All right. So basically, I'm just gonna run through my thoughts and why I took this trade. So here, let me delete this, and I'll add this shit later. All right. So oh fuck. All right. So basically, PM PM high went all the way up here. Previous day high, my bad. And at fucking 6 o'clock, we dumped a little bit. We just flushed a little lower, and then around what time was this? 8:10, 8:15, we started pushing up higher, 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 and I started noticing like okay, like after this leg was created, we got no retracement. I, I was looking for something like, hold on, let me delete this fib. I was looking for a little something like this to come down, hit the 618. That was beautiful entry in my opinion. I was gonna take that because going into Asia I was bullish, but and draw was correct, but we just didn't get any sort of retracement. Oh, and don't mind these arrows. I was just testing something that I'll be getting into later. Just after I explained my trade, so yeah, I was really bullish going into Asia, and draw played out. We we tapped in this 1 hour, went a little lower, came out as I expected, but just no retracements, which is unfortunate. Could have caught a nice long. I don't know in OTM if people caught these anything here, but yeah. So we went all the way. We pushed all the way up here, and around 10 o'clock, we started dumping, and this is when I noticed this fat ass SMT. Um, and Q took this high, ES didn't, so I had this right here marked out. Here, I'll mark it again, just so you guys can see this high to this high. Yeah, and Q swept it out. Yes, didn't. And so this tells me, all right, this is a pretty big SMT right here. I think we're gonna push lower, and then I also scale up to the higher time frames. I first go to the 1 hour. I see nothing, and then this is where I see on the 4 hour, we actually filled this gap right here, and this 4 hour candle right here, we go all the way up, and that's where we create the previous day high, and we rejected down. So now this tells me, okay, we're going lower. SMT, 4 hour rebalance, okay, pretty good. So let's go back to the 5 minute. So okay, we start dumping and like actually dumping, and I'm getting no retracements again. I think there was this fib you could have placed right here, but nah, yeah, wasn't a good entry. So we come down and we're dumping, 10, 15, 10, 20, 20, 30, 10, 30, 10, 40. And then right here, okay. So I see this leg created, this range. So I draw my fib because we start pulling up. I wait, usually I draw my fib once I see like the second candle start going back up. And actually I think the second candle is where I got filled at. Yeah, it is. So I pulled this range right here. And this is what's going through my mind. Drawn liquidity was down here. I just like, yeah, my draw was just lower. We wanted to push lower, and my draw was beautiful. Actually, my draw in Asia has been pretty on point the past couple of days. So this is where my entry goes. So I see this level right here. It's above 705. It's past 705 actually, and I'm thinking that's a good push. And I got filled pretty good. And so obviously we target 12.50 stop loss, and I went down to this low again like yesterday for a quick like 1 to 3. All right, so this is what happens. This candle fills me, and we reject beautifully off the fill. I'm floating like $300 $400 right here, so I'm already break even at this point. And then we come up, we chop a little bit, and then come back down, and we make this bullish candle. This kind of tells me that we're probably gonna go break even, and that's exactly what happened. This next candle, this actually hit our stop loss, so this was a good break even trade. Not too mad about it. Actually, pretty happy because my draw was extremely correct. Like I said, it's been really good in Asia the past couple of days. And after I get break even and it runs to stops, two candles straight to TP. So yeah, it definitely stings a little bit, but could have lost, but we went break even, and draw was correct. And also, as soon as I got filled, or as soon as I got stopped out, I went right over here and locked my trading, locked myself out till next day Asia. So yeah, pretty satisfied with this. Draw was correct. Could have held this longer if I didn't get break even, but nah. 1 to 3 would have paid like 800 bucks, something like that. So that was good. Okay, now also I want to add that I am now starting to copy trade. I have my trade copy right here. I'm sizing up by one account, copy trading two right now. And that's what these are. I was testing the copy trader right here, so I didn't actually take a trade. I just like went in, made a quick 30 bucks, and was out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my trade recap. Break even today. Kind of unfortunate. And also, I've been noticing the past 2 days. It's only the past 2 days. I've been trading late as hell. No entries like in between 6 or 7 for me. I know Krabs, my mentor, scalped a winning day somewhere around here, but I didn't really see no clean entry. But yeah, my entries have been like 11 o'clock. I think my entry yesterday was like 11:40. I don't even remember. But yeah, pretty satisfied with today's trade, even though we hit break even. Definitely sucks, definitely stings, but psychology is definitely coming along, and pretty happy about that because I've been struggling with psych really bad, and not anymore. I'm doing really good. I've been holding myself in check. Shout out to this guy in OTM who's been keeping me in check. I've been texting him hella, and he's been helping me out through my whole OTM journey. But yeah, pretty much that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.